If you qualified for the DYM Dymension airdrop, it should be dropped into your Metamask wallet. Now I'm going to show you how to add the network, how to send it over to your Kepler wallet to stake, because that's my preferred choice to stake in for all Cosmos ecosystem coins. We're going to take a look right now. Welcome to the APY Guy channel, where I try to bring you the best sources of passive income and low market cap gems that could have huge gains in the next bull market. If any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Drop a like on this video. I greatly appreciate it. Nothing in this video or on this channel is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research. This was a little bit different type of airdrop when it was airdropped to your Metamask wallet. I thought this would be a good opportunity to show you step by step how to get it over to Kepler, if that is your preferred wallet. There is a way to stake on Metamask as well. I just always prefer any Cosmos ecosystem coin token in staking in my Kepler wallet. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to have to add the network to your Metamask wallet. So you're going to go to chainlist.org. That's chainlist.org. And then you're going to go up here and find Dymension. You're going to add it to your Metamask. Once you have done that, if you look in your Metamask, it'll show your token should show up because they were airdropped directly to the wallet. I have since sent all mine over to Kepler. To do that, you'll have to sign into your Kepler wallet. And once you've signed into your Kepler wallet, then you're going to find Dymension. The easiest way to do this is to go to Manage Chain Visibility and then just type in DYM. I've already added it. You'll go here to this one. There's the testnet, which was the previous before mainnet launched. You're going to go down here to Dymension and add that. Then you're going to hit save. Once you have done that, you go to deposit, and then you have to type in DYM again. The tricky part about this is there's going to be two wallet addresses. One's going to be a DYM address, and then there's going to be a 0x address, which is an Ethereum-based Metamask address. So what you're going to do is you're going to click the copy, then you're going to go over to your Metamask, and you're going to send. So I don't have hardly anything left in here, but you're going to want to go up here, and you're going to want to paste that address in here, and then it'll recognize it as a Ethereum address. Then you're going to send the desired amount of tokens over to your Kepler wallet. Once you've got it in your Kepler wallet, let's go here. It's going to show down here, and yeah, it'll show here in your Kepler wallet. The transaction fees are very minimal. I think it was like a penny or 2 pennies to send from MetaMask to the Kepler wallet. Okay, the next step would be to actually stake your DYM tokens. The easiest way to do that, in my opinion, is if you go over here to staked, and you go down here to stake with Kepler dashboard. That brings up this full page dashboard, and then you select the chain you want to stake. And right now we're going to stake the DYM token, and it has recommended chains here. You can search for different chains, so you'll just click on that. Then you're going to want to pick out a good validator. The one I picked out it's Validao, VALIDAO. The reason that I picked this certain validator is because they have talked about a airdrop to stakers of their validator. I don't know if it's exactly confirmed or not, but it's a very good chance of getting a I think their VDO tokens is the ticker for it, as a staker to their validator. A little bit of breaking news here. They just posted on their Twitter that it is a confirmed airdrop. It says Validao will airdrop VDO to delegators of our Dymension validator. There will be multiple snapshots throughout February for eligibility. Instructions below on how to qualify. So I don't know if they're going to take... if they're going to show how many tokens you need minimum. It doesn't say a minimum, I don't think, here. So I can't find one. They haven't shown it. But that's good news that it's definitely confirmed. So we should be able to get a few tokens from this if we stake to their validator. So once you've picked the validator that you want to stake to, you're going to hit stake, and then it's going to ask you how many you want to stake. I'm not going to go through this whole process because I only have 3.31 DYM tokens left. You want to keep at least, I would say, 1 DYM token for gas fees for the future. Right now, the APR is running over 40% APR. That's not going to stay that high for a long time, maybe throughout today, maybe tomorrow. It's going to come down with the more stakers that stake into these validators. Remember, with most of the Cosmos ecosystem tokens, once you stake, there's an unbonding period. This one is 21 days. So you will not be able to get your tokens out of you won't be able to unstake the tokens and sell them without waiting for the 21-day process. It says you'll need to unstake in order for your staked assets to be liquid again. This process will take 21 days to complete. So just keep that in mind. And once you've picked out how many tokens you want, you just hit stake. Very simple after that, just like any other token. You just hit stake here, and then you'd have to pay let me just go through. I'm not going to go through it completely. Then you need to pay a small gas fee, which would be 4 cents in this case. I just wanted to go through this and show you step by step because it was a little confusing for me at first. So I wanted to make sure that I got this video out fairly quickly. I think there's going to be some opportunities in the future to earn some airdrops from the DYM staking. So if you got any information out of this video, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and drop a like on the video. I'd greatly appreciate it. If there's any projects you want me to cover in the future, always drop them in the comments and I will look into them the best I can. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.